Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. And today we are having the 43rd tutorial in this series. Thank you very much for keeping in touch with us. In the last tutorial, we talked about how to create forms on a website. Forms are very important on a website because you use forms to collect information or data from the user end. We started by creating the user name item, and you can see we have it here. So I introduce you to the tags. I introduce you to the tags you can use to create the username. We still have it on the script here. Now, I mentioned that you can use this size here to either increase the size of the text box or increase the size of the text box. For example, we have 50, size 50 here, and this is the size of the text box with this 50. Now, what if I reduce this 50 to 5? Now, let's save and refresh. Let's see what will happen. The text box has reduced. So we can type in your username. But notice something here. When you reduce the size of the text box, it does not necessarily restrict the amount of text that can go in. Any amount of text can go in, okay? But let me show you a feature or a tag you can use to restrict the amount of text that you want to go into the box. Maybe you want like 5 texts, or you want 6 or 7 digits or whatever that you want to go into the box. You don't want too much very long username. If you don't give users that restriction, you will get a very long username that might obstruct your database. So you want to restrict them to a certain amount of text that should be used as username. Let me show you how to do it now. And so if you want to change or you want to restrict the amount of character that you want users to impute in the text box, so what you do is to add another attribute. So you now come here and add another attribute called max length equal to let's say 5, no, equal to 5. Now what I've just done now is that I want to restrict the amount or the number of character that goes into the text box. So what you do, just like I said earlier, is to come, let's make here 50, let's make it long. Okay, now is to come after the size equal to 50, you type another attribute max length and then equal to 5. This simply means that you want your user to impute only 5 characters. It can't go beyond 5 characters. Now let's save and refresh to see what we have done. And then you refresh, and now let's see. Yes, I'm trying to type in more characters now, but it can't go in. That's because I have restricted the number of characters that will enter the text box from here. Max length is 5. Now if I make it 10, let me make it 10. Let's save and refresh. All right, let's type in now. Let me type in. Now you can type maximum of 10 character into the text box. Let me use something more. Let's see. Okay, you can see I'm trying to type more characters into the text box now, but it won't because I have restricted it. So this is how you can control the amount of information or character that you want users to impute into the text box from the script here. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. In the next video, I'm going to go a little bit further to show you different types of input that you want to collect from your users. Thank you very much for watching.